Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple, easy and lush foaming sugar scrub. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. We're making a foaming sugar scrub, so of course you're going to be needing some sugar to make it. This is white sugar, but you can also make use of brown sugar. It works well. This is the most important ingredient in this scrub. You cannot make this scrub without the sugar because it's a sugar scrub. Now we are going to be adding our white sugar or brown sugar into the mixing bowl. Now this is the bowl I'm going to be making the entire scrub in. I'll leave some of the white sugar. I won't be adding everything. You'd see me add the rest later on. So I'll just add some of it and then we'll proceed to add our other ingredients into it. Next, you're going to be needing some carrier oils. Here I have some olive oil. You can also make use of any other carrier oil of your choice, but I'm using olive oil first. Now I'm going to add the olive oil into our white sugar. And then after adding the olive oil into the sugar, I'm going to give it a good mix and make sure that the sugar and the oil is well incorporated. So you're going to mix this gently until everything is well combined. Next, I'm going to be using some coconut oil. You can choose to use 2 or more oils, but make sure you don't add too much oils. Here I'm using coconut oil to go with my olive oil. Now I'm going to add the coconut oil into the sugar and olive oil mix. And then after adding it in, I'm also going to give it a good mix again to ensure that everything is well combined. Once this is well combined, we're going to introduce our second most important ingredient, which is shower gel. Now you can make use of any brand of shower gel. This is what will make our sugar scrub a foaming sugar scrub. Here I'm using a shower gel that I like. You can use any shower gel. This will give our scrub some color and it's also going to give it a very nice scent, so we'll not need to add any fragrance. Now I'm going to add the shower gel into our sugar and oil mixture. I'm going to add it into it. After adding in the shower gel, we're going to give this a very good mix to make sure everything is well combined. We want the shower gel and the sugar to be well combined and well incorporated. So we're going to give this a very good mix. As we mix, as you can see, it looks a little bit too watery, and this is why I saved some of the sugar. Now at this point, you're going to add more sugar to make it a little more stiffer. So now I'm going to add in the remaining white sugar. If that consistency is okay for you, then you don't need to add more white sugar, but I added mine so that it can be a little more thicker. Now after adding in the white sugar, I'm going to give it a good mix again. If at this point you even need it more thicker, then you can add more white sugar again. This consistency is very okay for me, so I'm not going to be adding any more white sugar. At this point, our foaming sugar scrub is ready. I'm going to add it into a jar and save it for use. This scrub smells so nice and it feels so nice on the skin. Trust me, you will love this, and it also lathers well, so it's a win-win. Trust me, when you use this scrub, you will not go back to your regular scrubs. This feels so good. So if you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes like this. Bye.